Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mibro Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Actually, let me close it and reopen it, like this. After you open the app, tap on Devices, and here you should see your Mibro Watch A1. Now scroll down, tap on Delete Device, and tap on Confirm. Now tap on Close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see list of my devices, and on it there's gonna be device called something like XPAW007. Once you see this device, tap on the info icon next to it, then tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device to remove it. And then you can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.